As you all know, the stock market is a game of psychology. Behind chart patterns, candlestick patterns, and even a single candle, there are always psychological factors at play. You've probably seen various green and red candles on your chart, but do you really know what they are telling you? If you think a red candle is bearish and a green candle is bullish, you're mistaken. You must watch this video till the end. It will completely change your perspective. After watching this video, you'll be able to tell which candles are truly bullish and which are bearish. Let's get started. First, let's understand a single candle. Every candle is made up of two parts, the body and the wicks. Each candle also has 4 points: open, low, high, and close. To understand this better, you can watch the video linked in the I button. Many traders believe that a green candle means buyers are in control, and a red candle means sellers are dominating. But it's not that simple. Imagine two groups of people. One is buyers, and the other is sellers, playing tug-of-war. The game starts here with the buyers pulling first, but soon the sellers take control and pull it back. Then the buyers regain control, but once again the sellers pull it back, though this time only to this point. This is how we get the open, low, high, and close points. If we plot these points on the chart, a candle forms. If we switch the open and close points of any candle, the color of the body will change. This means the color of the body does not tell the full picture. Every candle is formed due to the battle between buyers and sellers. To understand whether a candle is bullish or bearish, you have to see who is in control, buyers or sellers. Let's look at two examples to make this clearer. Example 1. This is a candle from a one-day time frame. These are its open, high, low, and close points. At first glance, the red color makes us think this is a bearish candle. But let's look at the 15-minute time frame to see how the price moved that day. Initially, the price fell, indicating that sellers were in control. This steep drop shows strong selling pressure. However, later on, buyers stepped in and pushed the price up, closing the candle at this point. So, this is not a bearish candle, but rather a bullish sentiment candle, where we see buying pressure. Example 2. In this candle, the green color suggests that it's a bullish candle. But when we check the 15-minute chart, we see that buyers were in control up to this point. After that, their strength weakened, and the sellers took over, bringing the price down and closing the candle near the opening price. So, this candle is also not bullish, but represents bearish sentiment, as selling pressure was dominant. As we can see, to understand the market properly, you need to look beyond just the color of the candle and see how the price moves. How do you identify if a candle is bullish or bearish? To determine a candle's sentiment, we divide its range into 3 equal zones: bullish, neutral, and bearish. Regardless of the opening price, the closing price tells us the sentiment of the candle. If the candle closes in the bearish zone, it's a bearish sentiment candle. If it closes in the neutral zone, it's a neutral sentiment candle. And if it closes in the bullish zone, it's a bullish sentiment candle. Here are some examples of green candles, where the closing price is above the opening price. But not all of these candles are bullish. Based on where the price closed, they are divided into bullish, bearish, and neutral. The first 4 candles are bullish, the next 2 are neutral, and the last one is a bearish sentiment candle. Similarly, here are some examples of red candles where the closing price is below the opening price. But again, not all of these candles are bearish. They are also categorized based on where the price closed. The first 4 candles are bearish, the next 2 are neutral, and the last one is a bullish sentiment candle. Let's make this more simple. To understand a candle's sentiment, just look at where the pressure is coming from, above or below. If you see more pressure from above, it means the sellers are in control. If you see pressure from below, it means the buyers are stronger. And if the pressure is equal from both sides, it means neither buyers nor sellers are dominant. Then we get a neutral candle. If you understand this, you won't need to memorize candle names. Just by looking at the candle, you'll be able to tell who is in control. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. I'd appreciate it if you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.